Hello to day 10 of our 30-day series on marriage and emotional growth. And today I want to talk about something that touches all of us at some point of time: forgiveness in marriage. Forgiveness is not easy. We all know that. Sometimes it feels almost impossible. And it's not just about the hurt itself, it's about everything that surrounds it, right? There are moments when forgiveness feels hard because of fear. Fear that if I forgive, it'll happen again, or fear that my pain will be brushed aside. Other times is the lack of accountability. When the other person doesn't own their mistake or keeps repeating it, forgiveness feels unsafe. Many of us silently wonder, how can I forgive if nothing changes? And then there are the deeper layers. Sometimes it's not only about what our partner did, but about what we already carry inside of us. The old wounds that haven't healed, memories of times we weren't valued or heard, and of course, ego adds to it. Ego says if I forgive, I lose, or if I forgive, I look weak. But forgiveness is not about weakness. Forgiveness is true strength. It's not saying what you did was okay, but it's saying I will not let this pain control how I love or how I live. And just as important as giving forgiveness is asking for it. Even if the other person isn't ready to forgive you, asking matters, because asking shows humility. Asking says, I take responsibility and acknowledge your pain. And even if forgiveness doesn't come right away, asking helps you repent, grow, and find peace within yourself. In marriage, this matters deeply. Because when we hold back forgiveness or when we don't ask for it, resentment builds and closeness slowly fades. But forgiveness, both given and sought, creates space for healing and for love to breathe again. So if you're struggling with forgiveness, ask yourself, what is really making it hard? Is it fear? A lack of accountability? An old wound? Or even my own pride? Naming is the first step. And then choose. Choose to forgive not because the past disappears, but because you deserve peace. And if you need forgiveness, be brave enough to ask for it, because that step alone can begin to heal your own heart. This is your Aarti Sujay reminding you that forgiveness is not about forgetting, it's about healing. And when you forgive or when you ask for forgiveness, you give yourself the gift of peace. Tomorrow in day 11, we'll explore the power of vulnerability in marriage and why letting yourself be fully seen can feel risky, but is also the key to deeper intimacy. Till then, take care and stay blessed.